You found the perfect sound effect, but it's only on YouTube. So how do you download it? First, access the video either by visiting YouTube or going to the Videos tab in a Google search. Next, open another tab for a YouTube downloader. An easy way to get to one is by looking up the phrase YTMP3. There are lots of websites that do the exact same thing and almost look identical. I hesitate to recommend just one because these sites come and go. They get blocked or taken down, and then a new one takes its place. My favorite site used to be cobalt.tools, but downloading got disabled. Currently, the sites that work best are CNVMP3, YTMP3.as, and all of the other clone websites that look just like it. Copy the link from YouTube, make sure it's the full link rather than the shortened version, paste it into the downloader. If you only want audio, choose MP3. If you need the audio and the video, select MP4. Click Convert, and then hope and pray that it works. Sometimes the download just simply doesn't work. If you get an error, try another downloader site, or maybe just that link doesn't work for downloads, and you have to find a different version of that video to take from. Ignore any tabs, windows, or pop-ups that come up. Usually they are wildly inappropriate. If it is your first download ever on that page, your browser might show a pop-up that asks if you want to allow downloads. In that case, click Allow. It may also ask you where do you want to save things onto your computer. Anything else that pops up, ignore. Even if it offers to clean up viruses on your computer, it's a scam. That would probably give you a virus, honestly. Once the audio or the video is downloaded, check it to make sure the file plays as intended. Audio should come as an MP3 file. Video should come as an MP4 file. If you get any other file type, do not open them. They could be viruses instead of videos. Remember to move the video or audio out of your downloads folder and into your project folder so that all your assets are in one nice neat little package. Then move them into Premiere Pro for adding to your sequence. Hope this helps. Catch you on the next one.